Hello everyone. This is Dr. Sayyeda Fatima Zohra, Assistant Professor, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology from Luqman Unani Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Vijaypur, Karnataka. Today I am here to talk about a very important topic, that is breastfeeding. Because this week, that is first week of August, from 1st August to 7th August, it is celebrated as Breastfeeding Awareness Week in over 120 countries including our India. A special time dedicated to highlight the incredible benefits of breastfeeding for both mothers and the babies. The theme for Breastfeeding Week 2024, that is specifically for this year, is Closing the Gap Breastfeeding Support for All, which emphasizes the need to ensure that every mother receives the necessary support to successfully breastfeed, since it is a cornerstone of early nutrition, offering numerous advantages that extend well beyond infancy. Firstly, let us talk about the benefits for our little ones, that is, for our babies. Breast milk is often referred to as liquid gold, and for a good reason. It is perfectly balanced with all the nutrients that infant needs for healthy growth and their development. Beyond nutrition, breast milk contains vital antibodies that help protect babies from various diseases and infections. Studies have shown that breastfed babies have a lower risk of ear infection, respiratory diseases, and digestive issues, and more. Moreover, the act of breastfeeding has been linked to higher IQ scores in later childhood, highlighting its role in brain development. But the benefits of breastfeeding are not only limited to the baby, mothers too gain significantly from this natural process. Breastfeeding helps the uterus to contract and it reduces the bleeding, aiding in a quicker recovery post delivery. It also lowers the risk of breast cancer and ovarian cancers, type 2 diabetes, as well as postpartum depression and more. Additionally, breastfeeding develops a profound emotional bond between the mother and the child, a connection that is very much essential for the emotional well-being of both. The World Health Organization and other leading health bodies recommend exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life, with continued breastfeeding alongside appropriate complementary foods up to 2 years of age or beyond. The National Family Health Survey 4, which was conducted during 2011 to 2016, shows the total percentage of children under the age of 6 months exclusively breastfed was 70%, whereas a National Family Health Survey 5 conducted during 2019 to 2020 shows a significant reduction, that is up to 60%. Despite the clear advantages that has been mentioned or discussed by me earlier, many mothers face significant barriers to breastfeeding. So the challenges can range from a lack of support and inadequate maternity leave to social stigma and misinformation. It is our collectively responsibility to address these challenges. Creating supportive environment involves providing accurate information about breastfeeding, ensuring access to skilled lactation consultants, and develop a culture that respects and values breastfeeding as the norm. Simple actions such as offering encouragement, providing breastfeeding friendly spaces, and advocating for policies that support breastfeeding can make a substantial difference. During this Breastfeeding Awareness Week, let us all make a commitment to support and encourage breastfeeding mothers. Whether you are a family member, friend, healthcare provider, heads of job providers, or community leaders, your support is invaluable. Together, we can create a world where breastfeeding is seen as the natural, beneficial, and supported practice that it is for the health and well-being of our future generation. Let us all ensure that every mother feels empowered to give the child best start in life through breastfeeding. I hope I conveyed my message to you all. Thank you.